Ravens solve multi-step puzzles for food rewards. Crows manufacture hooks from straight wire pieces. Geese use teamwork to open garbage bins. Cockatoos learn to pick locks systematically. Jays cache food in hundreds of locations. Drop A if bird intelligence amazes you. Parrots understand concepts of same and different. Pigeons categorize human art into style groups. Chickens demonstrate self-control in delay gratification. Magpies pass mirror self-recognition tests consistently. Nutcrackers remember thousands of seed cache locations. Bowerbirds arrange objects by color and size. Woodpeckers count acorns stored in tree holes. Scrub jays plan for future breakfast needs. Starlings learn complex song sequences from adults.